Usually I just fall back, but this time and the rest after that, moving forward, I ain't falling into your formation. God be my line leader and my caboose. Oh, shout out to my goons, shout out to my platoon, shout out to the ones that are like mine. I guess you could say we traveled the past, less wondered, and came out with more than most. I scoring better than ever before. Hey, see, I be that trickster, skeeky blueberry, not the red, but shout out to Brunel. Usually when it comes to these hoes playing games, I normally fall back, wait for their toxic ass, but now I'm normalizing, moving on with plenty of queens desire to be in your position. Yeah, they always wanted to be loved by a real nigga. Lady of the night, if not soon to be fiance, throwing it back, but our sex turned into Hurricane Harbor. Our foreplay was on water park. She said when we hugged, she was already on slip and slide. See, this type of love make 'em wanna be your bride. Hey, told her I ain't tryna make 'em fall in love